All right, let's go out here in the garage and do a little unboxing. What am I unboxing? Well, I kind of know. Not quite sure if I remember exactly what all is in here. But let's cut it open and see. Thanks for checking out the mining cabinet. This is not for the mining cabinet. This is for the mining upstairs game room. Let's see. So what did I get? Oh. Do not leave this bay empty. Some power cords. Cables. Oh, there's a... Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Yeah, one's a QSFT. One other end's a SAS. Maybe know what's coming. More power cables. Guessing this is the module in case you're piecing this together. This is a Netapp controller module. Oh, that's how that works. Okay. Four. These are the power supply units. Dun, dun, dun. It'd probably be easier to carry this upstairs and put it all together. Yeah, let's move this out of the way because I can kind of see where this is going. I was wondering why this is heavier than the big box. Let us get out the big box. Dun, dun, dun. Because this box, like I said, is heavy. But I see now, good move, he took all the guts out of the Netapp. Let's put this bad boy. This box is lighter than the small box. So this is a 48 drive Netapp appliance. I got it from a guy that lives in a van down by the river. No, I did not get it from a guy in a van down by the river. Actually, what's funny is when I got into Chia, which is what this is for, I was trying to do Chia. Oh, I hate these things. Oh my goodness. I was trying to do Chia and Linux through Windows. If you're familiar, it's called Whistle, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now, I've done Linux before. Like a long time ago. I don't even remember. It was basically when somebody came out with a Linux release that would let you run like a live CD because I'd heard about Linux. I had actually used Unix before in my 20s. I worked at a very small company and we had to set up a Unix server, and of course, being naive that I was like, I could do it. So I kind of did it. I did delete everything on it one night by mistake, thinking I was deleting basically a working folder or user folder, and deleted the whole freaking shebang. So we had to pay a computer company to come in and restore the backup, and we lost about a day's worth of stuff. And by then we had gotten a little bigger, and the owner of the company decided it was probably better use of my time not to mess with the Unix server and work on plotters and engineering copiers full time. Oh, sweet. Let's drop you down. Let's throw on some light. There we go. So, boom. Boom. One, two, three, four, five, six. And there's 4 rows of 6, so 24. I thought they were double D, but did I? Maybe I didn't buy the 48 one from him. I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, this is a 24. And supposedly has a 48. I think I'll buy. Oh, this corner we got a little damage over here on this corner. Straighten that out. It's kind of caved in just a hair, so I'll leave it. Use a body hammer. Let's do this one out and this one out. Give me some room here. Yeah, that's metal. So make sure what I'm hitting is metal. Oh yeah. Go. Yeah. Bingo. All right. So 24 drive Netapp. I've got EMC STL-3 15 drive jbods. I have 6 of those, completely populated with 90 drives. All right, well, there's the. Anybody got a Samsung washer that is full of rust? This is a sorry POS. It's had like 2 recalls on it, but above the softener tray is all rusty, and then evidently the bottom of this thing is just rust. I don't know if you can see all that crap. That's rust. My wife literally has pulled her hair out, almost cried a couple times because she can't get this washer clean. Thought she was doing something wrong. Then I Googled, and this is just a horrible, horrible thing. The bottom of it just rusts out. So anyway, you saw this guy in the unboxing. I just did. This is actually a day later. This came in. This is what I thought came in yesterday. But this is his daddy. So this is actually sitting upside down because anybody out there work for UPS, United Package Smashers? Well, you guys could break an anvil, but not just you. I mean, FedEx, Amazon drivers. I'm pretty sure that they get returns on anvils because when they sort them, they just throw them. They don't give a shit. Anyway, let's pull one of these bad boys out. And they say length does. Oh, my vice is in the way. Well, let's pull one out the other end. They say length doesn't matter. Hey Drew, let's give the people a view. Let's zoom out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that in all of its glory. So one hard drive plugs in there, and then it has this little circuit board, carries it back here. Another hard drive plugs in there. Voila, 24 trays, 48 drives. Yes. So on this, ooh, I'm all sweaty. You don't need to look at my face. But I'm not going to be RPM or rabbit mining. You can see my face. My face is on my other channel. I'm not hiding. Not in the witness protection program. But my thought on this is for you. That other one is for you. If you're not familiar, I don't know who, somebody came up with a measurement for computer server racks in U's. So 1U is a 1U server. This is 4U. 8U. I have a 18U rack, which I'll put a picture of in the video. I have 6 3U 15 drive jbods. They're EMC STL-3. I think they were actually sold by Dell. They work great. The fans are just a little noisy. They're not terrible, but since I got 6 of them, my wife kind of complains, and they're upstairs in the game room, which is open to the downstairs, and no real way to quieten it down. So I don't know why I'm going back in. There's nothing in there to show you. So we'll just show that side of it. So in 18U of space, I have 90 drives. In 8U of space, I will have 72. And these are readily available on eBay, but I think the gentleman that I bought these two from, he bought an 80 or 88 drive JBOD, selling me these. I think he has one more 24. So in 12U of space, I'd have 96 drives. So then I could put 2 of the EMCs back in, which would give me 18U. And that would give me 30 more drives, which would give me a lot. Let's do the math. 48 is 96, and 30 is 126. But I could get 2. I could actually get 4U JBODs in there. So if I found another 48, they give me 96, and then 2 24s would give me another 48. So that's what, 144 drives. And I could also follow his template. I've bought a lot of 10 terabyte hard drives from him. As he's going for density, he said I'm only going for 16 and 18 terabytes, so he's maybe a good deal on his old 10s. So I'll probably do the same thing, as I can take some profits from my Chia farming, take some profits, roll some of these 10 terabyte drives into bigger drives so I get more density, or just as I go forward, only buy high density drives. Pack more space, which is more plots, which is more money per day. Passive income. That's what we're all after. All right, thanks for tuning in. I gotta get out of the garage. It's not as high as it seems. That says 84, but 64% humidity. It is miserable in here. But hopefully all of this crap, like this crap here, zoom out, this crap here makes money. So off to the bull run we go. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment.